This is the ROLUX Dynasty II, and it's air friendly, which means you can take it on an airplane. And we're going to charge some batteries out here in the wilderness. For charging any batteries that you need or powering any cameras that you have. And I'm going to charge some GoPro batteries. So I put these GoPro batteries in their charger and plug it up USB to the ROLUX 99 watt-hour battery. As you can see by the red lights, the batteries are now charging. Dual charging my batteries on the go on the top of a mountain. And now I can keep shooting all day. I never have to worry about losing battery power again. I can charge my phone, my GoPro batteries, my Canon batteries, power my Blackmagic camera, and charge my wireless mics. Now I'm ready to keep shooting and do my vlogs and my travel logs without ever running back to the hotel and having to charge my batteries, my phone, and my microphone. It has all the essential ports: a USB Type-C, a DC, and a D-tap for powering my Blackmagic cameras. For portable charging, you can use the USB Type-C interface to charge on the go without having to take any bulky chargers. The small, compact design fits in any case and is lightweight and allows me to do any run and gun handheld shooting. From now on, every time I travel, I never leave home without my ROLUX Dynasty II 99 watt-hour battery.